What's up, everybody? Another day, another dollar. Today is Monday, November 2nd, 2020. My name is Jesse Cohen, and these are the top 5 things to know ahead of the opening bell. Let's get it started off with number 1. Stocks are set for a sharply higher open as Wall Street braces for perhaps the most eventful week of the year in terms of market-moving events. The Dow futures were pointing to a gain of more than 400 points. Futures on the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ are also indicating a positive Monday start for the two indexes, with both up more than 1%. The strong pre-market moves come after stocks ended sharply lower last week, with the major averages all suffering their worst weekly losses since the mid-March sell-off. That came mostly due to worries over a record surge in coronavirus cases, as well as growing nerves over the looming U.S. presidential elections. Let's move over on to number 2. Speaking of the election, all eyes will be on any last-minute political developments today. Democratic candidate Joe Biden still maintains a lead over President Donald Trump in national polls, although the gap appears to be narrowing in recent days, especially in key swing states. There is real concern that a delayed outcome or a contested result could lead to a period of turbulence for markets in the week ahead. However, if we do get a clear outcome and a quick concession by the loser, we could then see an election night relief rally regardless of who the winner is. So stay tuned for any last minute headlines as the day progresses. On to number 3. There are just a few notable companies reporting their latest financial results as Wall Street's Q3 reporting season continues. Clorox, Wingstop, Marathon Petroleum, and Waste Management are scheduled to report ahead of the opening bell. After the close, all eyes will be on PayPal, which has seen its stock surge more than 70% year to date so far in 2020, as the digital payment provider has benefited from the accelerated shift to e-commerce and online shopping as a result of the coronavirus pandemic. Joining PayPal this afternoon are Arista Networks, SolarEdge, and AMC Entertainment. Head over to Investing.com's earnings calendars to stay up to date with the latest results. On to number 4. The main event on today's economic calendar will be the latest ISM Manufacturing PMI, which is due at 10 a.m. Eastern Time this morning. The survey is expected to show a small improvement from a month earlier, with analysts expecting a reading of 55.8 in October. That would be up from 55.4 in September. You can track the data release in real time on Investing.com's economic calendar. And finally, number 5, over in commodities. Oil prices are down sharply this morning, with U.S. WTI crude futures tumbling by as much as 6% in overnight action to trade briefly at their lowest level since May, falling below the $34 per barrel mark. Prices have since recovered slightly, pairing losses on the day to move back above the $35 mark. Oil prices overall have been on the back foot lately as fresh coronavirus-induced lockdowns in Europe and parts of the United States are perhaps coming soon, have raised concerns over the demand outlook for future fuel demand. So obviously that is weighing on oil prices this morning. So that's it for me. Stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching. Head over to YouTube, hit the like button and the subscribe button. For those tuning in on the podcast, we're now on Spotify, so go check that out as well. May the trading gods be with you. Have a good one, everybody. Stay safe and stay healthy.